Let's go. That's back where we are. Actually, this is better without the light than with the light. Oh, there's the orange. All right, so we're not gonna go that way. We are at the White Trail. We're going that way, Kaloki, and the Florida Trail is this way, which is where we're gonna continue on. Out in the open air, at night. It's me and the dog. A side piece of nature. I don't know how well this is gonna show up on film, so I'll tell you. Some of you may have questions as to why I'm not using my flashlight. To be honest with you, I can see better, not only directly in front of me, but in my peripherals as well, based off of the moonlight. Now, does that mean something could be hiding in, or lurking in the shades? Absolutely. With the flashlight, you're only going to get so much anyway. My eyes have to adjust to the darkness if I were to drop the flashlight or something else. So I keep it on ready, the flashlight ready, but I'm only using it if I have to. Hopefully you can see the moon. And we've reached 2.